Rajalakshmi Engineering College REC. REC has secured 85 university ranks in April-May 2018 examinations and stands in 5th position among 552 engineering colleges in Tamil Nadu. The vision of this college is to be an institution of excellence in engineering, technology, and management education and research, to provide competent and ethical professionals with a concern for the society. And the mission is to impart quality technical education embedded with proficiency and human values, to provide right ambience and opportunities for the students to develop into creative, talented, and globally competent professionals, to promote research and development in technology and management for the benefit of the society. The major assets of REC are eminent and well experienced faculty, research facility, MOUs on important issues such as research, academic or cultural exchange, and industry interaction, career guidance cell, entrepreneurship cell, value addition in terms of employment and higher studies. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered at REC are BE Electronics and Communication Engineering, BE Computer Science and Engineering, BE Mechanical Engineering, BTech Chemical Engineering, BE Aeronautical Engineering, BE Mechatronics, BTech Computer Science and Business Systems, BE Electrical and Electronics Engineering, BTech Information Technology, BE Civil Engineering, BE Biomedical Engineering, BE Automobile Engineering, BTech Food Technology, BTech Biotechnology. The eligibility criteria for admission to BE or BTech programs at REC are: for open category it is minimum 50%, and for backward it is minimum 45%, and for most backward it is 40%, and for SC or ST minimum percentage is just pass in higher secondary course or equivalent. REC has following facilities: Center for Sponsored Research and Consultancy, CSRC, provides support and guidance to enable faculty and students to take up research and innovative development relevant to industry as well as society. CSRC was constituted to strengthen research activities, enhance industry interaction, and to foster industry relevant research. Healthcare. Healthcare is managed by a medical officer and an assistant to provide excellent medical care to all students, staff, and faculty. Hostel. Hostel can accommodate around 500 boys and 200 girls. The mess is spacious with a dining hall and a kitchen. Library. Library has separate periodical section and subscribes 5,943 journals, of which 5,713 international and 213 national journals. Also 5,702 e-journals. The college is an institutional member of IEI Library, Anna University Library, and British Council Library, Chennai. Sports. The campus has 6,000 square feet indoor facilities and outdoor facilities for volleyball, football, tennis, badminton. They have 2 qualified physical education staff to train the students. Wi-Fi. The college provides a free 24/7 Wi-Fi facility in entire campus, including hostels, cafeteria, seminar halls, and auditorium, for the benefit of the students and faculty to avail internet connection from anywhere in the campus. Transport. College runs around 85 buses for providing facility to students from various places in the city. The number of buses will be increased corresponding to the increase in intake of students. Canteen. The college is equipped with a fully functional vegetarian canteen to serve hygienically prepared food to staff and students. A subsidized mess is also operative in the campus. REC Engineering College has a placement facility with 108 recruiters. The list is visible in the screen, and the major recruiters are Citigroup, Cognizant, L&T, Hewlett Associates, Hindustan Motors, IBM, L&T Infotech, Wipro, Virtusa, Satyam, Mahindra and Mahindra, Tata Consultancy Services, United Software, Visteon Technologies, Capgemini, Bajaj Capital, Ashok Leyland, and many more. The overall result comparison from 2013 to 2017 for REC is between 70 to 80 percentage. College code is 1211. You can contact college at 04467181111 or 67181112. Web check at www.rajalakshmi.org. College is at Rajalakshmi Nagar, Tandalam, Chennai 602105. And you can mail at admin@rajalakshmi.edu.in.